We need a new strategy, kid. You need to show up more often. You need to meow.
I don't feel like meowing all the time.
Come on, Togo. You gotta suffer for your art.
I don't suffer for anything. I live in cat heaven. Unlimited food, warmth, love. I think we should do a montage of goodness. Yes, a montage. Here it comes. What do you care?
Seriously?
What's going on here?
Seriously?
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm vocal. Yeah. Seriously?
What? What? What?
Seriously?
What is it? Hi. Holy cow, I'm King of Leap. Yikes. King of Leap. What? I'm King of Leap. Hey. I think I'm done, finally. You found me. Even though I kind of was in here, you weren't supposed to find me. Can you tell I'm excited? Looking out at it here. What are you looking at? What?
So, Togo, don't say I ever didn't feed you when you needed to be fed.
I am happy to take some of this food. I'm dissing it. I don't need to be fed.
I am completely shocked. Of course, off camera, he scarfed it. Hide it, kid. I bet you can't find me. That's right. I'm in a bag.
I don't really care. Or maybe I do. Come on, Jane, get out of there.
I'm staring at the side of the bag.
I'm deciding whether to chew. I think probably not, but maybe. Bye.
Hey, Togo, is it true that on average you sleep 20 hours a day?
Lies and fabrications. It's more like 18 or 19.
I stand corrected. Hey, T, are you ready to be bothered by the most irresistible thing in the world?
Are you kidding me? I'm annoyed. What the heck is this?
We're here to entertain.